Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to our EVS lecture. Before that, we will do our prayer. So all of you are ready to do the prayer? Yes, so let's start our prayer.
या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदा जाड्यान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्
Once again, after the prayer, very good morning students and welcome to our EVS lecture. Myself, Rupa, and I will teach you all environment subject. Clear? So you can see our textbook, The World Around Us. This is the first front page of our textbooks. So children, I hope that you all have enjoyed your vacation. Yes, and also you all are taking care of your health or not? Yes. So now we start our studying environment. Before I start my subject, I would like to explain you about our subject environment, which you have already studied at your first standard. So children, what is the environment? Environment is a subject that we learn about ourselves and our surrounding. We can learn about your body, you can learn about the family, surrounding. Wherever you see the place, surround yourself, you can learn about that. For example, we can see the animals, so you learn about the different types of animal. You can see the plants, you can learn about the plants and all. So, in short, I can say that to learn about the surrounding, to learn about the environment is known as the environment subject. We can also say the EVS subject also. Clear? So, children, you all are ready now? Yes. Now, I would also like to tell you about the notebook. You have to write the assignment, you have to write the classwork in 4-line notebook. But today I am not uploading any assignment. You have to only listen this video till the end. And you have compulsory to hear the video till the end, so that it is very helpful for you all to put the attendance. Clear? If you will not hear, you will not see, I will put the absent mark. Okay, so you have to see and listen the video carefully. So let's start our subject, environment, lesson 1, and our topic is my body. So once again, my dear second standard students, be ready to learn about my body. You all know what is a body? You see yourself in the mirror, you will see your body. Yes, you know? Yes. What you see in your body? You see the eyes, hands, legs. Yes? Fine. So let's learn about, today I will teach you about the parts of body. Twins. That what are the twins? About the twins I will teach you. And at last I will explain you about the sense organ. This thing you have already learned in your first standard. Clear? So we will go back to the first standard and we will learn about the parts of body, twins and sense organ. Okay? So you all have remembered what is the topic today? My body. Now you can see the peak of the body. What you have seen in this? Here we see the hair, eyes, forehead, ears, nose. So these are the parts of our body, and each parts have a different function. Function means to work. Our body is made up of many body parts. There are many body parts. Body parts means chest, stomach, eyes, nose, lips. So these are a body parts. And each organs has a special function. You can see the eyes is there. What the eyes do? We see the things with the help of our eyes. What you do with your teeth? You chew the food with the help of the teeth. So each and every organ have its different function. We can also say that each organ has a special functions. Now what is this? You can see the two cute babies are there with the same face. Yes. See the other also. Two cute babies are there with the same face, eyes. All the part of this are same. See. So this is known as a twins. Twins. Clear? Twins babies are here. So twins are a person who are born at the same time with the same mother. One mother give birth to the same person. Clear? So you can also see that the twins are person who are born at the same time to the same mother. They look same. It is not compulsory every time they look the same. Twins means a same mother give a born to the two child, whether it is boy or girl, whether it is two boys or whether it is two baby girl. एक जैसे फेस होते हैं ये कंपलसरी नहीं है. कभी कभी जो ट्विंस होते हैं उसके फेस स्ट्रक्चर्स थोड़े डिफरेंट भी होते। क्लियर? बट व्हाट इज अ ट्विंस? ट्विंस का मतलब होता है सेम मदर, एक मम्मी जो होती है वो एक साथ 2 बेबीज को जन्म देती है। क्लियर? एट द सेम टाइम इट इज नोन एज अ ट्विंस। Now I will teach you about the sense organs. What are the sense organs, beta? You have learned in the first standard sense organs क्या होते हैं? Sense means to feel. To feel something is known as a sense. Yes or no? Yes. A part of a body that help us to feel the world. To feel the world around us. हमारे आसपास कितनी खूबसूरत जगह है, कितनी खूबसूरत साउंड है. So beautiful the sound of the birds, so beautiful sceneries are there. So with the help of these organs we can feel the world. So these are our first 5 sense organs. See the 5 main sense organs. You can see the first is a mouth. We take the inside the mouth there is a tongue. So tongue, with the help of tongue we taste. Ears, nose, eyes and skin. So these are the 5 sense organs. It is a very, very important sense organs. Clear? So we discussed the importance of having sense organs. First is eyes. What does our eyes do? So our eyes help us to see different things. With the help of eyes you can see the different things. And how many eyes you have? We have 2 eyes. We see the different things. We see the greenery. We see the television. We can read the books with the help of our eyes. The second is ears. All of you have a ears? Catch your ears? है कि नहीं? Yes, ears are there. So what the function ears do? Our ears help us to hear sound. Sound सुनने के लिए हमें ears का help चाहिए. Yes, the sound may be loud or soft. Very high loud volume are there of your speaker. Yes, some sound are pleasant and some sound are unpleasant. Now what is the meaning of pleasant and unpleasant? प्लेजेंट का मतलब होता है जो साउंड हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमें फ्लूट्स, जो बंसी बजती है वो आवाज़ अच्छी लगती है. एंड द सम साउंड विच वी डज नॉट लाइक, द बार्किंग ऑफ द डॉग, irritating sound is known as unpleasant sound. So our ears help us to hear sound. Children, be attentive to hear and see this video. Then only you will understand the chapter. Now this is a nose. Nowadays we are covering our nose. Yes or no? आजकल हम लोग क्या करते हैं? नोज और माउथ को किससे कवर करते हैं? विथ अ मास्क ड्यू टू कोविड. यस, फाइन. Now we see the function of the nose. Our nose helps us to smell things. We also breathe with the help of our nose. Our nose helps us to smell things. Some things have a sweet smell while some have a bad smell. Sweet smell का मतलब क्या होता है? स्वीट का मतलब ऑलवेज शुगर के आइसक्रीम नहीं होता है. स्वीट का मतलब होता है जो स्मेल हमें बहुत अच्छी लगती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल the smell of the rose, the smell of the perfumes, वो सब की स्मेल हमें बहुत पसंद आती है. So we can say that it is a smell. This smell is very sweet. And the bad smell when you are going passing through the garbage, हम कहीं कचरे के आसपास से जाते हैं, that time we feel a very bad smell. And the most important work which our nose is doing is to breathe. Yes or no? Yes, breathe means सांसें लेना. We breathe with the help of our nose. Now what is this? Tongue. Yes, the tongue help us to do very, very important work. Yes, so our mouth has a tongue, and the tongue help us to taste things. Our mouth has a tongue, and the tongue help us to taste things. Children, in this page I have a quite typing mistake, so please ignore it and listen what I am telling. Our mouth has a tongue. Instead of a mouth, you can use the tongue, and our tongue help us to taste things. There is a quite typing mistake. For that, sorry, and please continue listening this video. So our mouth has a tongue, and our tongue help us to taste things. And one more thing is that there are 4 main tastes that our tongue can feel. 4 मेन टेस्ट होते हैं जो हमारे टंग फील करता है. सबसे पहला टेस्ट तो हमें स्वीट लगता है. When we eat the ice cream, we eat the chocolates. फिर हमें थोड़ा नमकीन अच्छा लगता है, salty. फिर कभी कभी डॉक्टर हमें कड़वी दवाई दे देते हैं तो उसका टेस्ट होता है बीटर. और कभी एकदम चटपटा खाने की इच्छा होती है, एट दैट टाइम वी ईट द सार, खट्टी. ठीक है. सो द स्वीट, सॉल्टी, बीटर एंड सार, द मेन 4 टेस्ट आवर टंग फील. फर्स्ट इज स्वीट, सेकेंड इज सॉल्टी, बीटर मतलब कड़वा जैसे करेला और दवाई. यस. एंड द थर्ड इज सार, नींबू. हम ऐसे अकेले नींबू खाते हैं तो खट्टा लगता है. सो द सार मीन्स खट्टा. क्लियर? फाइन. नाउ दिस इज अ स्किन. नाउ व्हाट द वर्क दिस स्किन डू? The skin help us to taste, the skin help us to touch and feel cold, hot, rough, smooth, hard, etc. स्किन है तभी हमें फीलिंग होता है कि अभी ठंड है, गर्मी लग रही है, सॉफ्ट लग रहा है. बिकॉज स्किन हेल्प अस टू फील. The most important work which our skin do is to feel whether it is hot or cool. Suppose हम एकदम चिल्ड पानी में हाथ डालें तो हमें पता चलता है the water is cold. कभी कभी गर्म में हाथ डालें तो हम जल जाते हैं. We feel it is hot. The smooth टेडी बियर, पिलो, उससे हमें बहुत स्मूथ फील होता है. क्लियर? सो द स्किन हेल्प अस टू टच एंड फील कोल्ड, हॉट, रफ, स्मूथ, हार्ड, एसेट्रा. One more thing I would like to tell you that it is very important that the skin is the largest organ in our body. पूरे बॉडी में सबसे लार्जेस्ट पार्ट है तो वो है स्किन. आवर बॉडी इज कवर्ड विथ अ लेयर ऑफ स्किन. पूरे बॉडी में एक स्किन का लेयर होता है. एंड द स्किन प्रोटेक्ट आवर बॉडी पार्ट्स, जिससे हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स को प्रोटेक्शन मिलता है. क्लियर डियर? सो टुडे वी लर्न द 3 टॉपिक्स. First, the parts of our body, that there are many parts. For example, eyes, nose, chest. All these are the parts of body. Then we learn about the twins. Twins क्या होते हैं? Twins are person who are born at the same time. एक ही टाइम में वो born होते हैं to the same mother. Then we talk about the sense organs, that the parts of our body that help us to feel the world around us are called sense organs. Clear? And in sense organs, we learn about what the function of eyes is there, nose, skin, tongue, ears, etc. And the most important thing which you know today is the skin is the largest organ in our body. So children, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Yes? Fine. Now in next session, I will explain you about the internal parts of our body. What is the internal parts? The parts which are inside your body, जिसे हम देख सकते नहीं है. So till that, you please revise this video. इस video को 2-3 times आप देखो and you understand clear. Or if you have not understand, please tell me. I will explain you again. Okay? So till that, children, all of you all take care and have a nice day. Goodbye.